So no men are foreign. Here, the poet James Kirkup says that in the world, no one is foreign, no one is unknown. Everybody is known to each other, though they are living in a different country. This poetry better describes the universal brotherhood. Means the entire world is same. All are our brothers and sisters. Here he describes there are five stanzas, and in each stanza, it he James Kirkup clarifies that how universal brotherhood takes place in the world, how we are same, how we are not different from each other. Whether though we are speaking different language, our eating habits are different, our living habits are different, but even then we are the same. So here, read out anybody, come up and read
Yes, sir.
out.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. First stanza. Read out first stanza.
Yes, sir. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes, like ours. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie.
So it was first stanza, and in the first stanza, James Kirkup says that remember. He tells us to remember what to remember. No men are strange. That no in the world, no person is strange. Means unknown. Everybody is known to each other. And how everybody is known to each other, he will describe ahead. No country is foreign, and no other country, no, there are no country which are foreign. Means all the countries are the same. Suppose we live in our country India, and there are other countries. Pakistan is there, Sri Lanka is there, Russia is there, China is there. So every country, this country, these whatever names I told you here, they are not foreign to us. They are ours only. Beneath all uniforms, and beneath is under these uniforms means the uniform that an army person wears. Okay, that uniform, they are the same. And under the uniform, the people, whether it is a soldier from America, or a soldier from Pakistan, or soldier from China, they are the same. The body the body under the uniform is the same, because they a single body breathes. Single body breathes means they are the same, like ours. Like ours means like Indian soldiers. The land of our brothers walk upon, and the land, our earth is the same as the earth in Pakistan or America or any other country. They are the same on which our brothers walk. All the people walk on the earth itself. Means this is the similarity between every person living in the world. The is earth like this in which we all share. And see here, what is the similarity here, that we all, whosoever took birth on the earth, whether he or she would be buried in the ground or will be burned. Okay, will be burned, or means on this earth, and they will again mix in this earth. Yes, next.
They too, aware of sun and air and water,